Storage technology is evolving fast, and choosing the right solid-state drive in 2026 can completely transform your system performance. From ultra-fast Gen 5 speeds to reliable gaming drives, this list covers the best options available right now. Here are the top 5 best solid-state drives you should consider this year. Let's get started. Starting at number 5, the Fanxiang S910 is one of the most aggressive entry points into next-generation Gen 5 storage, especially for users who want extreme performance without immediately jumping into premium pricing tiers. This solid-state drive is built on the latest PCI Express Gen 5 architecture combined with NVMe 2.0 technology, allowing it to deliver sequential read speeds of up to 14,000 megabytes per second depending on the configuration. In real-world usage, this level of speed translates into dramatically faster system responsiveness. Your operating system boots in seconds, large applications launch almost instantly, and high-resolution game assets load with minimal delay. For creators, it also means smoother handling of large video files, complex project timelines, and multitasking across heavy software environments. But speed alone is not the only focus here. One of the most important strengths of the S910 is its stability under load. It uses a dedicated dynamic caching system combined with a high-speed memory buffer, which helps maintain consistent performance even when the drive is under sustained pressure. This is especially important for gaming sessions or long rendering tasks where performance drops can be noticeable. Thermal control is handled through an advanced graphene-based cooling layer that helps dissipate heat efficiently across the surface. This reduces the chances of thermal throttling during extended use. It also supports backward compatibility, meaning it can still function on older generation motherboards while delivering improved performance when paired with newer systems. If you are stepping into Gen 5 storage for the first time and want a strong balance of speed, efficiency, and affordability, the Fanxiang S910 is a very solid starting point. At number 4, the X15000 Pro moves further into high-performance territory, offering a more refined and stable Gen 5 experience for demanding users. It delivers sequential read speeds of around 13,600 megabytes per second, placing it firmly among the faster consumer solid-state drives available today. What makes this drive stand out is not just peak speed, but sustained performance. It is designed with a dedicated memory cache system and dynamic storage acceleration technology, which helps reduce latency during heavy workloads. This makes a noticeable difference when you are working with large media files, running multiple applications at once, or loading complex game environments. One of the key highlights is its next-generation controller built on an advanced manufacturing process. This improves both efficiency and thermal behavior, meaning the drive can maintain high performance without rapidly increasing temperatures. In practical terms, this helps reduce performance drops during long sessions, which is a common issue in high-speed Gen 5 storage. The drive also integrates smart cooling optimization, which works in combination with the controller to maintain stable operating conditions. This is especially important for creators and professionals who rely on sustained performance rather than short bursts of speed. Another advantage is its broad compatibility across modern and slightly older systems, making it easier to upgrade without needing a full platform change. Whether you are gaming, editing high-resolution video, or handling professional workloads, the X15000 Pro is designed to deliver consistent responsiveness and reliability. If you are looking for a step up from entry-level Gen 5 drives with better sustained performance and improved thermal control, this model fits right into that mid-high-end category. At number 3, the crucial P510 is where Gen 5 storage starts to feel both powerful and practical at the same time. It delivers sequential read speeds of up to 11,000 megabytes per second and write speeds close to 9,500 megabytes per second, making it a major upgrade over previous generation solid-state drives. For most users, this is the point where everyday computing starts to feel completely transformed. In real-world performance, the P510 significantly reduces waiting times. Your system boots almost instantly, applications launch with minimal delay, and large game files load much faster compared to Gen 4 drives. For gamers, this means shorter loading screens and smoother transitions between environments. For creators, it means faster project handling and improved responsiveness when working with large media files. One of the strongest aspects of this drive is its balance between performance and efficiency. It is designed to deliver Gen 5 speed without excessive power consumption, which helps maintain stable temperatures and consistent performance during long usage sessions. This makes it a very practical choice for both desktop and laptop users. Another important advantage is its broad compatibility. It works with modern Gen 5 systems while also supporting backward compatibility with Gen 4 platforms, making upgrades much easier without requiring a full system change. This flexibility makes it appealing for users who want future-ready performance but are still using older hardware. It also features integrated thermal management, which helps control heat during sustained workloads. Combined with its reliable NAND architecture, the P510 delivers consistent performance without sudden drops. If you want a well-balanced Gen 5 drive that focuses on real-world usability rather than just peak benchmark numbers, the crucial P510 is one of the most sensible upgrades available right now. At number 2, the WD-SN850X remains one of the most trusted and widely recommended solid-state drives for gaming performance, even in the Gen 5 era. While it is based on the previous generation PCI Express Gen 4 interface, its real-world speed and optimization still make it extremely competitive, especially for gamers who prioritize stability and responsiveness. It delivers sequential read speeds of up to 7,300 megabytes per second, which is more than enough for fast game loading, smooth system performance, and reduced texture pop-in during gameplay. In practical terms, this means you spend less time waiting and more time actually playing. One of the standout features of this drive is its gaming-focused optimization. It includes advanced software support that helps prioritize game assets and reduce background delays, resulting in a more responsive and fluid gaming experience. This is especially noticeable in large open-world titles where fast asset streaming matters. The SN850X is also known for its excellent thermal management. Even during extended gaming sessions, it maintains stable performance with minimal throttling. This consistency is one of the key reasons it remains a favorite among competitive gamers and content creators. Another important factor is compatibility. It works seamlessly with desktops, laptops, and even gaming consoles that support high-speed storage upgrades. This makes it a versatile option for users who want a single drive that performs well across multiple platforms. It is also available in higher storage capacities, allowing users to store large game libraries without worrying about space limitations. Combined with its proven reliability and strong ecosystem support, the WD-SN850X continues to be a benchmark for high-performance gaming storage. If you want a stable, battle-tested drive that delivers consistent gaming performance without complications, this remains one of the safest and most reliable choices available. Taking the number 1 position, the Fanxiang S910 Pro stands as one of the most advanced and powerful solid-state drives in 2026, designed for users who demand absolute maximum performance. Built on the latest PCI Express Gen 5 architecture, it delivers sequential read speeds of up to 14,800 megabytes per second, placing it at the top tier of consumer storage technology. In real-world usage, this translates into extremely fast system responsiveness. Large applications open instantly, massive game worlds load with almost no delay, and professional workloads such as video editing, 3D rendering, and high-resolution content creation become significantly more efficient. It is designed not just for gaming, but also for demanding professional and artificial intelligence workloads. One of the key strengths of this drive is its advanced controller architecture, which improves both performance and power efficiency. This ensures that even under heavy workloads, the drive maintains stable speeds without unnecessary thermal throttling. Combined with its integrated heatsink design, it is built to handle sustained high performance over long periods. The 9100 Pro also offers extremely high random performance, which improves multitasking, system responsiveness, and application switching. This is particularly important for users who run multiple heavy applications at the same time. Another major advantage is storage scalability, with support for very large capacity options, making it suitable for professionals who work with large datasets or extensive media libraries. Its reliability, backed by Samsung's long-standing engineering experience, adds another layer of confidence. If you want the absolute peak of solid-state drive performance with no compromises in speed, stability, or future readiness, the Samsung 9100 Pro clearly stands at the top of this list. These were the top 5 best solid-state drives to buy in 2026, each offering different strengths depending on your needs and budget. Whether you want maximum speed, gaming performance, or value, there is an option here for you. Let us know which one you would choose, and stay tuned for more tech content.